Whether you're saving up for a new bike, expensive perfume, or a trip to Antarctica, your dream is a driving force to bring joy into your life. Therefore, it's very important to clearly define what you want. Buy a fun money box that you'll associate with your dream, or that will just cheer you up. It can be something unusual, or a money box shaped as a suitcase, a TV, and so on. Basically, the main rule of such a money box is that it should be a joy to see. And then, you'll definitely want to throw an extra coin into it. It's a well-worn scheme for wasting money quickly and easily. You come to the supermarket on an empty stomach and you spend quite a bit of money on chips and juices and stuff. The smell of freshly baked buns really pushes us to make such purchases. Hence, we often buy absolutely unnecessary food, which certainly does not benefit our wallet. It's all because when we're hungry, we may not even think about how much money we spend at once. Therefore, if you want to be economical and more rational about your budget, it's best to go to the store full-bellied. Sometimes you really want to buy a very nice and necessary thing, but the price bites so much. And you often buy some analog instead, usually not quite high quality, which then often has to be replaced and you spend money again to get a new one. No matter how high the price is, it's better to pay once and for a good quality thing. People don't say, buy nice or buy twice for nothing. If you often visit the same stores, then it wouldn't hurt to purchase discount cards that will save you. Maybe a small one, but still some percentage of your money. Moreover, on some of them, you can save up bonuses and buy stuff at half a price.